Happy middle of the week. My name is Michael Leeserman with the Trial Guide's Tip of the Day. The date is Wednesday, January 28th, 2026. And our tip today comes from Mark Kaczorowski and Joel Smith's book, Nursing Home Cases When Caregivers Stop Caring. A fundamental question at the outset is whether the legal matter involves a nursing home patient who is still alive or one who is deceased. If the patient is deceased, you must assess the merits of a potential wrongful death claim, a claim by the decedent's estate, or both. If the patient is alive, you must assess the merits of the injury claim and what will happen to the claim if the injured patient dies before the case is resolved. Yeah, I don't handle nursing home cases, but I know I deal with this with clients who are in a coma and are in bad shape in the hospital, and we're not sure if they're going to live, and if so, for how long. So there's so many considerations here, from signing the case, in which case I like to look, if someone's incapacitated, you have to have a guardian or appoint a guardian sign on their behalf. And then what I'll do is have them sign on behalf of that person and also as representative of the estate. Now, that might be a little weird if person's not deceased yet, in which case you can have them sign a new agreement, but there's certainly that. And then there's what's very complicated is that from state to state, there's different potential claims. There are some states where you can only bring the claim on behalf, the survival claim or the wrongful death claim. You can't bring both. So make sure what the law is, check the law in your jurisdiction, especially if it's one you're not used to, and see, is it an either or, and could you switch later? If not, it might be worth waiting. Many states you can bring both a wrongful death action and a survival action. And then there's also, what about the beneficiaries? What about the loved ones? Do they have independent causes of action, or are their actions derivative through the estate? Figure that out before you file suit. And this is a good reminder, this tip today, to just delve into that and at least assess pros and cons and discuss them with your client. Let's take a deep breath together and be grateful to be alive today. May we speak the truth even when it's uncomfortable. May our words and actions align with our deepest values. Today, may we be instruments of justice, not through perfection, but through honest effort and genuine care. May we build trust through the credibility we bring and the integrity of our work. Now, 3 sounds of the bell to center you in your highest intentions, a reminder that who we are matters as much as what we accomplish.